In this video, I am going to show you how to do the printhead cleaning of your Epson Workforce 2930 printer. There are two methods to do the printhead cleaning. One is using the automatic printhead cleaning of the printer, and if that doesn't work, then you can do the manual printhead cleaning. So let's start with the first option and we'll see if our printer works or not. If not, then we'll go for the manual printhead cleaning. Go to the printer control panel, click on the home button, go for the maintenance, select it, scroll ahead, click on the head cleaning, press OK and click on the start button. So it's going to take around 3 minutes for the printhead to clean. Let's check the print result. If you see the lines and segments are still there, you can just repeat the printhead cleaning again. In case still your print quality is not great, some of the inks are not showing up, then we can do the manual printhead cleaning. For that, click No on the screen, press home button. Now you have to switch off your printer. So better is to unplug it so that the printhead remains unlocked. Open this section, check if the printhead is moving. Yes. Now we are going to simply clean the printhead using a damp cloth. Take the piece of cloth and just spray some distilled water. Place the cloth just below the printhead and move the printhead from the top. So once you see your cloth on the other end, just pull it out. Now place it here. Now move it like this. So once you rub it, that will unclog the printhead. Do it few times. Here we can see how much ink it has cleaned. Now we can just close it. Plug in the power cable. Now you can start doing the copy. Slowly the ink will start to flow and it will start to work. So let's do a copy test. Color copy 1. Our printhead has started to work. So this way we can do the printhead cleaning of this printer using two methods. Thanks for watching.